When you start a project, whether it be simple, advanced, or team, you'll be given the option of making different kinds of associations between your orientation cards and digital content. Here's a list of things you can do. You can stream a YouTube video. You can show an image. You can show a 360 image, sometimes known as a sphere image. You can display a website. You can embed HTML code. You can load another project. You can display some simple text. You can have people send an email. And with the advanced type of project, you have a few more options. You can upload a video, upload an image, upload some audio, or upload a 360 photo. With all these combined together, you have a lot of options to create different kinds of content, games, and learning content with orientation projects.